Here's my proof video for ZZ9 Nation, Razor Gaming, and Aki Modding. Also, here's a shout out to Toad from Razor Gaming. Alright, we'll work from the bottom up. Here's all my DVD drives, fans, hard drives, and one heatsink. Here's two consoles right here. That one needs to be reballed. This one is just being glitched. Two fan shrouds, two side covers. All my chips right here, USBs, my wires, my jig, two reballs, solder ball sizes, 0.45 and 0.6 millimeters, tape, solder iron attachments, my flux, my solder, boot wick attachments for my heat gun, and my thermal paste, my bolts, my accessories from my Xboxes. Here's all my wires, just in case if I need backup. I have Cat 5 cable here. Alright, there's another DVD drive. There's a Falcon reset glitched. Here's my station that I use at the moment. Here's all my power bricks, Falcons, Xenons, and one Jasper, I think. Alright, this will be quick. Brick Xenon JTAG, Brick Xenon JTAG, Brick Xenon JTAG, console band Falcon retail, two HDMI cases, Falcon RGH that works, just recently glitched. It has a GPU that was reflowed. This is a PS3 that was reflowed, reballed, and it needs a power supply inside. This console's for sale. It's a Falcon, no red ring and death history, has a flash drive. The hard drive will not be included with it. Neither will the power brick. It'll be console only. That took about 7 seconds to boot up. Maybe 10. Wasn't counting. There's XCX menu 1.2. As you can see, it looks different. Nothing that says XCX menu on it, but it still works perfectly fine. See, and I'll show the dashboard what version it's on. It's on 15574. As you can see right there. So, thanks.